Beets are an excellent root vegetable and the benefits of beet juice are plenty. Beetroots are high in vitamin C and B6, antioxidants and fiber. They also contain folate, manganese, betaine, and potassium. The remarkable benefits of beets are most effective when they are enjoyed raw in a fresh juice. Here are 6 reasons why you should add beetroot juice to your diet. Number 1. Beet juice helps to detoxify your entire bodies. It has powerful antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and detoxification properties. For long, beetroot has been known as the liver protective food. It is a great liver cleanser and helps in flushing out all the toxins. With the help of compounds like methionine and glycine, it prevents fatty acids from building up and stimulates the liver cells. Number 2. Beet juice is an amazing anti-aging remedy, and drinking it regularly will greatly help you, especially due to the levels of folate it contains. It helps fight against skin problems and wrinkles, while at the same time working towards skin renewal. Drinking beet juice on a daily basis will give you a healthy and glowing skin. Number 3. Studies have revealed that beets are good at preventing skin, lung, and colon cancer, since they contain the pigment beta-cyanesis, which counteracts cancerous cell growth. Nitrates used in meats as preservatives can stimulate the production of nitrosamine compounds in the body, which can also result in cancer. Studies have now shown that beet juice inhibits the cell mutations caused by these compounds. Researchers in Hungary have also discovered that beet juice and its powdered form slows down tumor development. Adding a healthy weekly amount of beets to your diet can keep your body cancer-free for a very long time. Number 4. Beetroot juice may help lower your blood pressure. Researchers found that people who drank 8 ounces of beetroot juice daily lowered both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Nitrates, compounds in beetroot juice that convert into nitric acid in the blood and help widen and relax blood vessels, are thought to be the cause. Number 5. Red beetroots have significant amount of iron. Consuming beetroots and drinking beet juice helps in regeneration of red blood cells. Beetroots help in preventing and treating anemia. It is also known to be good home remedy for menstrual disorders and menopause symptoms. The betaine in beets is a powerful nutrient that protects cells, proteins, and enzymes from environmental stress. It also reduces inflammation, protects internal organs, reduces vascular risk factors. Number 6. Beetroot juice helps in opening the blood vessels and thus increases the flow of oxygen throughout your body, making you feel more energetic and active. This is probably why it's the best to have it early morning to wake up your sleepy organs. It has been often promoted as a great workout drink and good for athletes as it increases the flow of oxygen to the muscles, preparing them for the stress ahead. How to make beet juice. Ingredients: 2 or 3 fresh beets, 1/4 cup water, optional. Paring knife. Wash the beets well. Remove any dried dirt or mud from their surface. Cut the beets into quarters. Place the beets and water in a blender or fruit processor. Strain the juice from the pulp. Drink it immediately or chill it for 30 minutes before enjoying. Precautions. Beet juice is very powerful, so a little goes a long way. Start off with a small amount until your body adjusts. You may notice that drinking beet juice turns your urine and bowel movements a pinky red. This condition is totally harmless. If you have low blood pressure, drinking beetroot juice regularly may increase the risk of your pressure dropping too low. Monitor your blood pressure carefully. If you're prone to calcium oxalate kidney stones, don't drink beetroot juice. Beets are high in oxalates, which are naturally occurring substances that form crystals in your urine.